Hey developers, pause your IDE for a moment because what I'm about to show you is going to fundamentally change how you write code. Windsurf just dropped Wave 2, and after spending 24 hours diving deep into every feature, I can tell you, this isn't just another update. Let me show you why I'm deleting every other AI coding assistant. First up, web search. This is game-changing. Imagine you're deep in your code, and you need to check the latest API documentation. Instead of context switching to Chrome, watch this. By simply typing at URL or using the web search command, Cascade instantly pulls in exactly what you need. Let me demonstrate with a real example. But here's where it gets incredible. Feature number 2, automated memories. This is like having a senior developer who remembers every pattern you've ever used. Cascade is actually learning how you work. It identifies your coding patterns automatically and saves them to a searchable memory bank. Watch what happens when I start a new authentication system. Cascade immediately recognizes my preferred pattern and suggests the exact structure I've used before. You can even inspect and edit these memories later. The third feature is the Problems tab, and this is where Windsurf really flexes. No more copy-pasting error messages. Let me show you something mind-blowing. See this issue? Watch how Cascade understands the entire context without me doing anything. The Problems tab gives you instant access to comprehensive problem solving. Fourth on the list, and this is huge for documentation warriors, Universal Docs search functionality. Not only can Cascade search any documentation online, but they've pre-indexed popular docs that you can access with @docs. Let me show you how this works with both the pre-indexed docs and a custom documentation search. Feature number 5, code execution improvements. This is where things get really powerful. When Cascade needs to run terminal commands, it now uses your IDE's actual terminal shell. Let me show you what this means in practice. See how seamlessly it integrates with your existing development environment. The sixth feature is the improved dev container extension. Now, this might sound technical, but watch what it means for your workflow. The container support is now more robust, more reliable, and significantly faster than before. And finally, number 7, the new Explain Problem UI. This is where everything comes together. Cascade doesn't just identify problems, it explains and fixes them right in your editor. Let me show you a real-world example. See how it's not just pointing out the issue, but providing context and solutions in real time? Here's why this matters. Windsurf isn't just making incremental improvements, they're fundamentally changing how we interact with AI coding assistants. This isn't about replacing developers, it's about supercharging their capabilities. Before I wrap up, let me show you how all these features work together in a real project. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing deep dives on each of these features. Drop a comment letting me know which feature you want me to explore first, and share this with your development team. They need to see this. Until next time, keep coding smarter, not harder.